The overall goal of this method is to characterize the pattern formation of embryos during plant embryogenesis using the model organism.
This method can help answer key questions in plant development field, such as embryogenesis in Arabidopsis. The main advantage of this technique is that embryo pattern formation in the model plant Arabidopsis can be characterized by direct microscopic observation. Demonstrating the procedure will be Jinlin Feng, a great student from my laboratory.
To begin this procedure, add 100 seeds to a 1.5 milliliter tube. Add 1 milliliter of sodium hypochlorite to sterilize the seeds. Invert the tube several times to ensure that the seeds and solution are well mixed. After 5 minutes, centrifuge the tube at 1200 Gs for 30 seconds. Remove the supernatant and wash the seeds with sterile water 4 times to remove any residual sodium hypochlorite. Next, add 4.4 grams of MS basil salt mixture and 10 grams of sucrose to 1 liter of ultra-pure water. Stir to dissolve the salt and sucrose. Using potassium hydroxide at 1 mole, adjust the solution's pH to 5.8. Then, add 3 grams of gelling agent and sterilize the solution at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Pour 30 milliliters of the resulting MS medium into a 12 centimeter culture dish.